In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can see who has viewed your Facebook profile. Make sure that you watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. Once you go onto Facebook, it can be on your iPhone, phone, or any device that can access Facebook, you are going to go to your profile. Click the three dots that are right there, and you will be brought to your profile settings. Unfortunately, I don't have the option yet, but most of you should already have the option to switch to a professional account. It should be right above the bar at the bottom of the screen. Now, all you have to do is click on Switch to a Professional Profile, and once that is done, you will actually have the option to view your profile settings once that option is clicked. Keep in mind that you are switching from a personal account to a professional account, so just keep that in mind. But that's all there is to it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.